An ellipse will have a circle called as director circle. Now let's understand what is meant by director circle of an ellipse. We understood what is major axillary circle, minor axillary circle. So here we are now understanding what is meant by director circle of an ellipse. Let me consider an ellipse whose equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now I will draw tangents to this ellipse such that the tangents are parallel to each other. First let me draw a tangent here. This is the tangent to the ellipse. Now the second tangent I am going to draw is perpendicular to this tangent. So how could it be? This is tangent 1 and tangent 2. Now notice the point of intersection of the two perpendicular tangents to the ellipse. P is the point of intersection. Let me call it as P1. What is P1? P1 is the point of intersection of two perpendicular tangents to the ellipse. Now let me take another pair of tangents which are perpendicular. So let me just take one tangent here and a tangent perpendicular to this can be this. So now this is P2. Now how are the tangents? How are the two tangents drawn to the ellipse? They are perpendicular. Now take one more tangent somewhere here and draw a tangent perpendicular to this. Now this is like this. This is P3. So I can have P4 here. Now just imagine P5 and some more P6, and if I draw a tangent here and a perpendicular to this will be P7 and so on. Now what I will do is I will trace the path of the point of intersection of all these perpendicular tangents to the ellipse. What do I get? I get a circle, and the name of this circle is director circle. So what is the director circle of an ellipse? The director circle of an ellipse is the locus. What is the meaning of the locus? Locus means path traced by a moving point according to some geometric condition. Here what is the condition? The condition is that we should draw tangents to the ellipse which are always perpendicular to each other and consider their point of intersection. So all these points are the points of intersection of two perpendicular tangents to the ellipse. So when we trace all these points, we get a circle. So this circle is called as director circle. The director circle of an ellipse is the locus of the point of intersection of perpendicular tangents, and the equation of the director circle is x square plus y square, because the director circle also has its center at the origin. X square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. X square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square is the equation of the director circle of the ellipse.